These are just a couple of the Stubblefield coils I've been working on. As you can see, a little stubby, a little bigger. And this one I got in, it's just in salt water. This one is the new one I've been working on. Got a jewel thief there. As you can see, something's wrong with that jewel thief. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this one. I just got 3 LEDs in series there on this jewel thief. I got a little, as you can see, there's no power in it. Just a little switch to turn it off and on. This is the one that I was really excited about, and I built, and it's sitting in salt water now, as you can see, and it's big. Take it out, put that guy in a little salt water on the beach. As you can see, it's still lit on top. Hey, pretty bright, you know, and that's nothing more than one of those yard lamps just to cover the top. Got a jewel thief inside running that, but that's one big coil. As you can see, the light is still lit, and it's pretty bright, as you can see. So I'll just stick that over here. I'm going to stick that over here against the wall for now. I wish it was dark so you can really get a good idea of how big it is and what it does. This little stubby, these are made just with some wire that I sanded the enamel off of, and get a better picture here. And you can see I actually put screen mesh in there instead of the cotton, but it works pretty decent. But I went back to cotton, and I actually was using Sham Wow on the new one that I made, and that's just a stainless steel rod from a printer that I ripped open, and that's the printer wheel that I use for the top. It's just plastic, and I got my 4 wires. I don't have a secondary winding on it, but I just wound a whole bunch of copper up and down, and then I just terminated out the top like you see here with the 4 wires. Okay, so let's give it a shot to see what we got here. We're using this little jewel thief, so you can kind of get an idea of how much power each one of these produces. I mean, you can kind of get an idea because this guy, it's not even in the water. It's not even completely saturated or anything. This is all dry up here. So, just an idea. Anyway, back here to our little submerged one here. I don't know if I can really do this too well with one hand. Let's see. Yeah. Maybe not. Well, let's go with this guy. The big one. Pop that there. Give me a second. Alright, that should work. Where are we lighting? Ping, as you can see, it lights. Pretty good. Pretty good. That's the new one. And it lights. Okay. I'll give you the water. Alright, well, I gotta go tend to the daughter. But as you can see, the Stubblefield works pretty good. Hey, there it lights up. Pretty nice. And that's 3 of the LEDs lighting. Hey, pretty cool.